Welcome in accounting education. Today we will learn how to reconcile our bank statements in Tally. Tally provides a wonderful option of reconcile. With this, you will enable to match your bank account with your bank's bank statement. I am explaining this with a given example. I have passed some voucher entries in Tally. One is Mohan's loan, second is social welfare expenses, fees, Sohan's loan. Some are receipts and some are payments. I am dealing with the SBI Bank. Now, at the end of 31st March 2010, I want to reconcile. For this, I have to go to my account book and then click cash and bank books and choose the bank. Suppose I want to reconcile with the SBI Bank. Click this March. Now take your bank statement and compare the dates. And in Tally, in the right side, you will see the button reconcile. Click this. Suppose Mohan's loan has been shown in the bank statement in April 1 for 2010. So we have to show our bank date here. Accept it. Suppose we received fees as per the bank statement in 2 for 2010. Suppose we received loan same date. Suppose your payment will be debited in your bank account. We can write here 1 for 2010. Accept it. And again reconcile button. Now balance as per company's book is showing 4,33,000, but balance as per bank 3,03,000, because some amount is credited in April, or some amounts are debited in bank accounts in March. You can check your bank statement and it will be exactly this amount. This is okay, the bank reconciliation. And now print it, and you can take it as a reference for audit. Okay, thank you very much.